All right, guys, here's the directions for Wednesday. Um, if you're in class today, obviously we're taking the quiz, so that's what your directions are. Just be ready to go. For the Tuesday, Thursday kids who are at home, this is a study day for you guys, a review day, so make sure you're going through the study guide, the flashcard, okay? There's some other videos embedded in the PowerPoint if that's more your thing. Just make sure you're prepared for tomorrow. Same thing for the full distance learning kids. Today's a review day for you. You'll take your quiz tomorrow. Now, for the full online kids, for example, here's the 5th hour one. Your quiz is only live for an hour. Okay, so what's going to happen here is for the 5th hour, your quiz is going to go live at 12:15 in the afternoon. So it's going to be live from 12:15 to 1:15. So you have an hour, just like everybody else, to take the quiz. If you miss the quiz, you get a 0, and that's kind of your bad for not watching the directions videos. So 12:15 tomorrow, this quiz will go live for the online kids that are in 5th hour. So if you're in 5th hour, know that 12:15 you'll be ready to go take the quiz. It's live for an hour. You'll just type out your answers, then you'll submit them on Google Classroom. Okay. So for the 4th hour kids, then the full distance learning for 4th hour, your quiz starts off I think at 10:30. Yeah, I think it goes live at 10:30 and it'll get done at about 11:45. So 10:30 to 11:50, I think it's open for your 4th hour. So just be on Google Classroom at 10:10, and that's when it's scheduled to go live. So it'll just pop up. You'll click refresh, and then this quiz will be able to be clickable, and you'll be able to go through. Again, you only have an hour to take it, just like everybody else. Again, you'll just type out your answers. So for example, you'll just have number 1, B, number 2, D, number 3, D, whatever the answers are. And then you'll just submit your Google Doc to me. All right? Or you just turn it in. But that's the directions. Have a good day kind of reviewing for most of you. And then for the kids that are in school, hopefully they do really well on the quiz. But that's all I got. Obviously, email me. Check your missing assignments on Student View. Your grades are up to date, so make sure you're checking that and letting me know if I missed something. Because remember we said before, Google sometimes glitches and doesn't send me an update when you turn something in. So sometimes I literally have no clue that you turned it in, and it's just sitting there for days without being graded. So always be checking Student View and then letting me know if I missed something, because sometimes I need that. But all right, have a good day, everybody. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.